luwag. Yan, luluwag lahat. Racing lang yung dating may-ari nito. Walang radyo eh. Tanggalin mo yung yata mo. Tanggalin mo yung jacket. Pinturahan na rin yung loob nito. Tingnan mo. Tornilyo nga, hindi na original. Kahit tingnan natin na yung document. Susundin natin yung dating dito sa Rx-7 yellow. Yan, tanggalin natin yung dashboard. This is a Mazda Rx-7 FD from Japan. It's converted into left-hand drive. As you can see, the dashboard is not so done properly, and the curve of this aircon outlet is not properly curved. The center console is already fixed. You can't remove it. The original one is removable. The owner who bought this for me bought an original dashboard from the US, so the conversion will be better. Baklasin natin ito. So just to be sure, will not hit the windshield, it might get cracked. We will be removing this handbrake lever. You will see that there's a nut from the exhaust studs of the exhaust manifold of the rotary engine. They used it as a spacer to adjust the clearance for the handbrake cable. As you can see, the conversion is so ugly. The welds are not properly made. The one who did this has no passion building cars. Look at that, it's so ugly. So there, we removed the dashboard, not including the metal frame. Now you can see how ugly conversion is. So the next step is to remove this dashboard steel frame. Downward 10mm. Air conducting, so restricted, and only one duct. Insulators, the foam that is not original. It looks so messy. In my Rx-7 yellow, I did not use this kind of foam. We will not also be using this because the owner bought also the original left-hand drive aircon components from the US. This is the amplifier for the center speaker. It's Clarion. In my Rx-7 yellow, I removed this already with its related wiring harness. As you can see, the wiring harness is so scattered, so ugly. The execution is so bad. It's good that the owner bought also the original wiring harness from the US. This box is still there at the right hand side. So since the owner bought the original wiring harness, that fuse box will be located already on the left side. Wire for the ignition switch and the combination switch. In my Rx-7 yellow, I did not use these original components, converted components. I used a generic evaporator, so I was able to place the evaporator at this center section. In this area of my Rx-7, it's so clear, there are no components located here, just the wires passing to the left hand side. This is for the thermostat. This is the resistor for the aircon blower. Computer box. Harness ng ano, TFI, pakibunot na. So, this is the clutch switch. Kung sirain mo na yung foam, papalitan naman natin yan. So that's the brake pedal assembly. I'll clean this up when I install it back to this car. I'll also derust this bracket and paint it. Ground wire. This is the EFI harness. Ito binasag ng ano eh, dating gumawa eh. Hindi alam kung paano ibalik. Hindi alam kung paano tanggalin ng maayos. As you can see, the socket for the left hand door harness is cracked. I'm sure the previous shop who handled this just forced it without looking for the proper tab to pull it out. So this is the harness for the link between the main harness and the rear wiring harness. Plastic guide. Gas pedal next. 10mm yan, dalawa. Ang pangit ang pagkakaano, no? Look how bad the firewall was. They just used oxyacetylene torch in cutting holes. Conversion is really bad, and there are a lot of this rubber like gum to seal off the holes that was not made perfect during the conversion. Insulator is so stick to the firewall. Anyway, I'll be replacing it with a new one.